Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Rocco's staring at me. But if you are new, please subscribe, thumbs up, share this video. If you've been here, been watching me, what's your poppin', we here. So today I'm coming to you guys with something new, something I'm not used to. Okay, don't mind my do-rag, by the way. My mama braided my hair. She did it fire, okay? I've been telling y'all, anyway, I've been telling y'all that I'm going to add a new addition to my wig family. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so, voila, hello, we here. I wish I showed y'all, me opening it up. An unboxing review or whatever the case, but I was too excited, so I just opened it. I wrote this stuff down, y'all, because I am not, look, I'm all over the place. So I got this from CELIE hair. I looked all over the place for a nice 613 wig, because every time I look at the reviews for a different company, it would be so bad, and it was just oh, it was annoying. So CELIE hair was one of the ones that it was not too many bad reviews. I got 613, of course. This was actually sort of yellow. You can kind of see a little bit of yellow in there, but I shampooed it with this Coon Care for, oh, that's why. Anyway, I used this. Come on, focus. So I used this, and when I put it on, it low-key dyed it purple. So I was getting scared, so I hurried up and washed it off. So right here, you can see the purple a little bit. But regardless, I didn't like the yellow, so, it's better than the yellow. So right now, she's Snow. Her name is Snow for now. I just wanted to try blonde one time. It's not going to stay blonde. But if I end up liking it, I'm going to buy another one. But yeah, this is 613. The length is 10 inches. So, it's right here to me. Yeah, the length is 10. It's really here. But the length is 10 inches. It came, let me take it off. She bald now. This is what the inside looks like. The lace was actually pretty decent. I was okay. It came with 4 clips, but I cut them out because I don't need clips, and they be pulling out your hair, and I don't need to be bald. But yeah, it came with 4 clips. Later, I'm gonna sew a band in it. If not, I'm gonna have my mama do it. Please. Let me show y'all this lace. Okay, it's kind of tinted a little bit, which is what I like, but I'm gonna tint it some more. But this is what, okay, this shadow. See, it is not bad at all. I don't even think I'm going to plug it. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh my god. So yeah, when I first received it, it was really soft. I received it in this, the CELIE bag. I should make a thumbnail. Beauty Start from CELIE hair. Okay. Y'all. Okay, so this was inside the wig with the lunch lady, as Nicole TV calls it. It had a hairnet on it. It came with a what is this called? A wig cap, and you know how they give you this so you can get some money for what's this called? Reviewing their hair and stuff on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Yeah. As it says, it's 10 inches. It came in this bag, which is good. I know a lot of people like resealable bags. It came with something else. Oh yeah. This is my favorite thing it came with. This is so adorable. So this is the back of it. I just want to show y'all them little animals. They're cute, but I don't understand. Is that a monkey? Happy Smile hand mirror. It is so adorable. Let me take it out. It is so adorable. Oh my god. It's so cute. I love this little mirror. Look at her. Okay, so you get the gist. She has an this is so cute. Look at her. She low-key look like me. She got a big head, big forehead. Let me stop. But yeah, I shampooed it and conditioned it with, just normal conditioner. It doesn't really matter which one. I'm gonna be styling this. First, I'm gonna cut it. Y'all know how this is my first lace front wig. So I'm gonna be using this Lux oil, the heat protectant, and honestly, I'm all over the place. Oh, the density and the shedding. Woo! The shedding, this is all I got. I mean, y'all might think this is a lot, but honestly, all hair sheds, real hair sheds. So what makes you think a wig not gonna shed? Come on now. Yeah, this is all the shedding I got from, let's see. Yeah, that's all. That's not much to me. It's a blonde wig. What do you expect? The density, I believe, was 150, but I'm gonna put it down in the description box because I can't remember and I don't feel like looking it up right now. But I believe it was 150. When I first tried this wig on, I was like, oh, it's kind of thin. It looks a little thin. I look like my name's Chad. I look like a white boy. Let me stop. It was kind of thin, but then I blow dried it and it gave it some, like, you know, some volume. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. What else? That was pretty much it. That's all I wrote down. So let me take this off. I'm not ashamed because guess what? These are fire, okay? Look how neat they are. I didn't do my forehead. I didn't do makeup on my forehead because, like, whenever I, like, get it together. Whenever I glue down or, like, you know, do my closure, I don't do my makeup first. I usually do that first, then do my makeup. But for y'all, I decided to do my makeup first so I can be cute. I'm gonna just try this on for y'all. It comes with adjustable bands as well. What's on makeup? Ew! This is so weird. Oh my god. Look at that. And no, when I put this on, I'm not gonna have a wig cap because I don't do that bald method. I don't know. I'm not a professional. I know what I'm doing, but I don't at the same time. Ooh. So I'm going to cut this off camera, the lace, because I don't know how to do the little professional when they do the, you know, split in the middle and go around. I don't know how to do that. So I'm going to do all that off camera. We're just going to do it. Ooh. Okay. So first I'm gonna tint the lace. I might use this, my concealer, because my foundation's a little too dark for me. Come on now. Yeah, this is the color Amber and Milani. It's drugstore, so let's, ew. It's gonna be wet. I'm nervous. I think I should have bought a powder, but it is what it is. Make it a little bit lighter. I'm scared. Yeah, I'm so new to this. I'm really nervous. That's not bad.
Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch.
Wow, I'm doing a wig review. I never thought. It's funny because in high school and in middle school, I did not do sew-ins. I said, I really think, well, my mom, I kind of think it's something, but I don't know. But I really think it's because in elementary, when I used to wear, like, you know, fake hair, they used to call me fake mohawk girl. Right? They used to call me fake mohawk girl. One time my ponytail fell off. It wasn't my ponytail, but it was like a little, my mom used to give us little fake buns. It was fire, but you know, I was in a white school, so you know how that go. Fake mohawk girl. And then we learned a new word. It was artificial. This one girl who was supposed to be my friend, she was like, she said, that's not your seat, artificial hair girl, because I sat in somebody's seat. Like, bitch. Bitch, I will fuck you up now. It's funny because now she be in my DMs, like, not like that, but she, hey, oh my god, I miss you. Girl, did you not, let me forgive and forget. But yeah, I used to never wear fake hair. I remember one time my mom gave me a sewing with I wanted leave out, but I was natural, and she was like, no, you can't do that because it's not gonna look right. She gave me a old school closure. Bruh, I only had that in for a week. It's not even that, but my head be itching, and I don't like when I can't reach my itch. A wig, you can kind of like, you know what I'm saying, dig in there. But a sew-in and that closure, I just couldn't do it. Now I just love wigs. I went from not wearing hair, fake hair at all, to wearing wigs. Like, I didn't even go to sew-ins. I went straight to wigs. And then people childish in high school, so why would I wear a wig in high school? They got me messed up. And then I played too much. I was a tomboy. I was playing with the niggas, so yeah. I had too many brothers, and you know, I mean that, like, for real. I had too many boys that I called brothers, and we was real childish, so fighting and stuff. Don't judge me on this video. I know I'm all over the place. This is my first hair review. Ugh, I'm not a professional. I just want y'all to see, okay? Hold on, baby. I'm too excited. My forehead protrudes and is big, so I can get away with putting it right here. Do not have that whole, let me stop. Do not have this wig all the way to your eyebrows. I hate that. So I cut the lace. I cut it really close because I don't like excess lace based on what I be seeing and based on my closures. So let's put this on. I'm really nervous. Cause baby, ooh-wee. This actually might be too light, the lace. It might not, let's see. Rocco, you got my brush? Let's brush this. This how y'all be looking. Even though I don't look too bad. This how y'all be looking. Push that whole back, son. Okay. So I got my handy dandy got to be glue. When I seen people put this on, I really didn't like how it like spread everywhere and dripped. I really don't like that. But we gonna work with it. And I also got my handy dandy got to be. Look how dark my forehead look. I promise y'all my face is really this color. And I have discoloration, so it's not gonna be even everywhere. I'm trying to hear you because I know y'all like people be talking. I be seeing that. So I ain't trying to be one of them, but it's my first wig. Let me be me. Let me be great as my channel. Thank you.
The jacking, now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich.
Got to be glue. People say it's not good for your edges, but honestly, it comes out with water. It's very temporary, so if you're a beginner like me, you should use this instead of Ghost Blonde.
Put it in a cap, send it to an Arab. Hit him with the mat now, nice whole body scalp. Cash on delivery.
So, I don't know where it stopped. I ran out of storage. I need to buy some more SD cards. Life. Anyway, I was told and I learned that you're supposed to let this dry clear. It doesn't really look clear to me. It looks white. Ew. It's not tacky, it's sticky. Huh. Okay, we're just gonna get my blow dryer.
Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick.
So I put it on the low setting for heat and a low setting for speed.
Rich, I got cause a little bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how.
We just gonna do this. I'm scared, you guys. Oh my god.
Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch. I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got Delson.
I want this as neat as possible because I really don't like when there's hair under the lace or when it's not, you know.
In this bitch, grown tycoon and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't get caught all of my bitches. Okay,
I'm gonna let this sit and I'll be back. My next one will be a little better than this. I know I was all over the place. This was not a tutorial. This was just me like showing you guys my first wig and what I did. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. I thought it was gonna look bad, but I had like platinum blonde twists before, so you know, my mom was like, oh, you had them before, so this is gonna look good too. So my sister, she bumped this because I don't really know how to feather that good, but she bumped it for me, and I know this look a little orange. We gonna fix it. 1 second. So I'm gonna take my, what is this? Black Opal Suede Mocha contour stick. Jeez, I can't see. Just cause it's not matching my skin right now. Ooh, I went a little too far. Keep down. Simmer down. Yeah, I went a little too far with that. Oh, what am I gonna do? How do you get rid of that? So now I can finish the rest of my face. I know y'all see that, but we gonna fix that.
How they do it? Kicking shit right, you can put it in a cap, send it to an Arab. Hit him with the mat now, nice whole body scalp. Cash on delivery. Hey, go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this, all the bitches lipstick, and her pussy slippery. I can call her troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't nap but kangaroos. I can send them moves. Woo. Niggas stole a chain, but I ain't worried, fool. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me who. Ooh, ooh, diamonds peekaboo. Ooh, ooh, I done fought the crew.
I'm gonna do this, put this down some more, but all in all, this is the look. Let me turn around. So it looks like from the back. As y'all see, I tried something new. It was low-key a fail, but it wasn't that bad. This is the only thing that failed. I don't want to show y'all. But yeah, I actually like this. I might buy a new wig. This is supposed to be red, but I want to see what blonde looks like, so that's why I have it. Okay, I'm excited about this. I kind of went overboard with the foundations, whatever, but I don't look that bad with blonde. Y'all, fix my sideburns. This is actually cute. Now I just want to buy another one and dye that one red and leave this one. I'm really sad now. That's why I got a job so I can do it. My hair's still black, but I shaved it a little bit, y'all. This is just practice. See, this part right here is not, you know, the best, but you know, it's better than nothing. I'll get better close, yeah. This is so cute. Okay, this is so cute. This is the sound of my bathroom. It makes that sound. I don't know why. This is how it is. But this is not as neat as I want it to be. But it'll do for now.